Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 14, interrogative or question sentences. Dear students, in the previous class I have defined what is interrogative sentence and what are the types of interrogative sentence. Dear students, in the previous class I have told you that interrogative sentences are those which is used to ask the question. And I have also told you that there are two types of interrogative sentence, SNO type and WS type. In the SNO type, I have told you that SNO type sentences, SNO type question mark, SNO type question sentence start with the helping verbs. And what are the helping verbs? Do, does, is, am, are, was, were, had, have, can, could, etc. Okay? It always SNO type sentences always start with the helping verb or modal verbs. Okay, and at the end of the sentence we put the question mark, and the answer of this type of sentence, SNO type of sentence, can be given in one word, yes or no. Therefore it is known as SNO type of sentence. Okay students, and I have also defined that what is WS type sentence. WS type of sentence start with the WH question word. For example, what? The word start with WH, WH80. Okay, what, were, where, why, when, whom, etc. There are so many words that start with the WH, and these words are known as WH words. Okay, and its answer cannot be given in one word, yes or no. You have to give the complete answer. Okay, suppose that we are asking the question, I am asking the question, what is your name? That is start with the WH word. Therefore, this is WH type of interrogative sentence. Okay, and its answer cannot be given in one word, yes or no. Okay, if I am asking the name of your name, what is your name? You cannot give the answer in yes or no. You have to tell your name. Okay, that my name is such, my name is Prem, my name is whatever. Okay, so SNO type of sentence start with the helping verb and its answer can be given in one word, yes or no. For example, may I come in, sir? Okay, you can give the answer in one word, yes, you may come, no, you may not come. Okay, like that. And WH type of sentence start with the WH word. You all know the words what, where, when, why, okay, how also. There are so many words that is known as WH word. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood what is interrogative sentence, what is WH type and what is SNO type of interrogative sentence. Yes, students, those who did not attend the previous class can watch the previous video at my YouTube channel. Dear students, today we will discuss the exercises based on this topic, interrogative or question sentence. Dear students, there are so many exercises which is given at the page number 57, 58. Okay students, so just open your book of English grammar acts, and today we will discuss the exercises given in the chapter number 14. Okay students, so just open your book. Just see students, what is the first exercise. In this first exercise it is written that what we have to do, write WH question. Dear students, sentences are given and you have to make the WH type of sentence. Okay, just see, example is also given, that is a bird. Sentence is written in affirmative, that is a bird. You have to change into interrogative. Okay students, and in the previous chapter there is given affirmative sentence, we have to change it negative. Negative sentences are given, we have to change into affirmative. Okay, in the same way there is affirmative sentences are given, you have to change it interrogative. Okay, example you can see, that is a bird. What is that? We have to make the question. Okay, what kind of question? WH type of question. Okay, therefore it is written here, what, that is a bird. What is that? We can give the answer, that is a bird. Okay, he is my father. Who is he? He is my father. Okay students, So on the basis of this example, we have to also complete the question given in the exercise number first. Dear students, just see, we will discuss the exercises. Just see, what is first question of exercise number first? Just see, what is the first question? This is a pressure cooker. This is your sentence. This is a pressure cooker. Just see, this is written in affirmative sentence. Okay, this is a pressure cooker. This is a pressure cooker. Okay, it is an assertive sentence. In assertive, what kind of sentence? There is no negative one, therefore that is affirmative. Okay, it asserts something in positive way. Therefore, that is affirmative sentence, or you can say assertive sentence. And now you have to use the WS type of sentence. Okay, you have to make WS type question sentence. So just see, it is written here, this is a pressure cooker. We are showing. So we can ask that what is this? Okay, we can make the question WH. Start with the WH. What is this? This is your question. Okay. At the end of the sentence, you will put the question mark. It is necessary. For making an interrogative sentence, you have to use question mark at the end of the sentence. Just say, students, this is your affirmative sentence and you have to change it into WS type question. So I have made it. Just see, what is this? Okay, this is your question and the answer is written, this is a pressure cooker. Okay, students, so in WH, while changing into WH, you will use this kind of word, WH word, and at the end of the sentence, you will also use the question mark. Dear students, I hope that you all have understood. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, so now we will discuss the next question. What is the next question? Just say, it is written here, I am 10 years old. It is second affirmative sentence given. I am 10 years. It is a kind of statements, assertion or declaration. I am 10 years old. This is your question. This is your sentence. You have to make the interrogative sentence using WH. So just see, what can we write? How many years? Okay. How is also WH? WH. Okay, just see. How many years are you old? Okay, if someone is asking to you, how will they ask? How many years are you old? If you are asking to yourself. Okay, if I am asking to myself, then we will use here I. How many years am I old? Okay, but if another person will ask, then he will ask like that. How many years are you old? The answer will be given to you. I am 10 years old. Okay, so students, we have to make only WH type. So no need to think what would be the subject, I or you. You can make the sentence using WH type. Okay, so just see. This is the second affirmative sentence given. I am 10 years old. And what would be the question sentence? How many years are you old? Okay, that is your interrogative sentence of WH type. Come to the next question. Question number 3. Dear students, what is the question number 3? You can see. She is my mother. She is my mother. Okay, students, this is your sentence. In affirmative, in assertive. And just see what you have to do. She is my mother. We can make the question who? Who is she? Who is she? That is very simple. At the end of the sentence, we will use the question mark, and at the beginning of the sentence, we will use WH. Okay, so this is WH type question. Who is she? She is my mother. Okay, students, so just write down. Dear students, in your book, there is enough space to write. Okay, so you will write the question sentence, interrogative sentence in the given space. Okay, students. So I hope that you all have understood. Come to the next question. Question number 4. Okay, students. Yes, students. If you have any kind of doubts, any kind of problem in this topic, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay. Just see question number next. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Sentence given. My name is Himanshu. My name is Himanshu. This is a statement. We have to make what? Question. Just see. My name is Himanshu. You have to make the question. How will you make? Okay. What is your name? What is your name? That is your question. That is very simple. What? WH. What kind of interrogative sentence is here? WH. What is your name? Okay. My name is Himanshu. If I am asking to myself what is my name, then I will write here what is my name. Okay. But I will not ask to myself. I can ask to any other person. So we will ask like that. What is your name? Okay. The reply will come. My name is Himanshu. Okay, students. So this is an interrogative sentence. What kind of interrogative? WH type. Okay, students. Come to the next question. Question number 5. Yes, students. I hope that you are getting points. You are understanding the things. That is very, very simple. And come to the next question. Question number 5. What is question number 5, students? You can see, I get up early in the morning. Okay. I get up early in the morning. In the morning. This is your statement. We have to make the question. Oh, there would be also a full stop. Just see. I get up early in the morning. Students, we have to make the interrogative sentence. We will write here when. Okay. That is in present indefinite tense. Therefore, we will use here do according to the subject. Okay, if subject is he, then we will use does. If subject is I or you or they or any plural subject, then we will use the helping verb do. When do you get up? Okay, this is your question. Just see. When do you get up? You can get the answer. I get up early in the morning. Okay, this is sentence. When do you get up? I get up early in the morning. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the things. Exercise first. In the exercise first, there is only 5 questions, and that is very, very simple. I hope that you all have understood. Now, come to the next question. Next exercise. Just say, students, second exercise we will discuss now. What is in the second exercise? We will discuss. Just say, students, what is exercise number 2? Just see what is there. Change the following sentences into interrogative. Follow the examples. Dear students, sentences are given. Okay. Positive and negative both type of sentences are given, and you have to make it again interrogative. But there is not condition that we have to make only WS type of interrogative. You can also make yes no type of interrogative in this sentence. Dear students, it is written, change the following sentences into interrogative sentences. It is not mentioned here that you have to make either WH or yes no type. So you can make both. Just see. Example is also given. He goes to school. Where does he go? Okay, that is WH type. She is my sister. Who is she? Okay, like that. Just see students, first question we will discuss. What is first question? I bought a new cricket kit. I bought. Just say students, I bought a new cricket kit. A new cricket kit. That is your sentence. And what kind of sentence? Assertive sentence. And dear students, you have to also recognize what kind of tense is used here. What kind of verb is used here. So here we are getting that is second form of the verb. Buy, bought. Okay? Bought. Second form of the verb is used here. And it means that is past indefinite tense. Past simple tense. Simple past tense. So in the simple past tense, what kind of helping verb we use? Did. Okay, while changing into negative or while changing into interrogative, we use the helping verb did. Okay, students, so just see once again, the sentences are given. We have to make what? Dear students, we have to make interrogative sentence. Okay, in this exercise again, in the exercise number 2, we have to also change the given sentence into interrogative. So we can make here, I bought a new cricket kit. Okay, you can write here, what did you buy? Okay, like that. It is so simple. What did you buy? Okay, you will write, while changing into interrogative, we will make the second form of the verb into first form of the verb. Okay, so keep in your mind, while changing into interrogative, in negative, we will use the first form of the verb. But in positive sentence, we will use second form of the verb. We will not use what? Did. Okay, so just see, I bought a new cricket kit. That is your sentence given in your book. That is assertive sentence. You have to make interrogative sentence, and while making into interrogative, we will use the helping verb did, and we will also use the first form of the verb, as well as we will also put the question mark at the end of the sentence. So what would be the correct sentence? What did you buy? Okay, we can give the answer, I bought a new cricket kit. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood. Come to the next question. Question number 2. Just see, what is question number 2? I live in the apartment near our school. I live in the apartment near our school. Near our school. That is your sentence. That is assertive sentence. You have to change it into interrogative. Just say students. It is mentioned here. I live in the apartment near our school. That is a statement. That is assertion. That is declaration. In positive way, it means that is assertive sentence. And you have to make this sentence into interrogative. Okay, interrogative. Either you make WS type or you make SNO type. So we can see here what would be the simple. I live in the apartment near our school. We can make very simple WS type, where that is you have to recognize the tense. I live. Okay, it means simple present tense is used here, and in the simple present tense we use the helping verb do or does. Okay, do or does. You can see we use do with I, you, we, they, and plural subject, and we use does, he, she, it, and with singular subject. So we can see here I is used here, therefore we will use here do. Where do you live? That is so simple. We can make question. Where do you live? I live in the apartment near our school. That is so simple, students. You can write, you can make interrogative like that. Where do you live? That is so simple, students. You will write the question. Where do you live? Okay. Answer is already written in a assertive sentence. I live in the apartment near our school. Dear students, in this way you have to also complete. There are 5 questions given in this exercise. Okay, students, I am giving you the homework. Okay, homework. Your homework is to complete the question number 3rd, 4th and 5 of exercise number 2nd. Okay, that is your homework. I hope that you can do. But if you have any kind of confusion while changing into interrogative, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. In the next class, we will discuss the other exercises given in the chapter. Thank you.